enjoying playing his ball. Yeah! You love your football, yeah? I just picked Isaac from his creche. My plan was to actually do some laundry. I realized that I can't actually operate the washing machine. Since we bought this washing machine, Papa Isaac is the one that normally turns it on anytime we want to use it. But now, Papa Isaac is not at home, he's at work. And I want to do an emergency washing. Last night he explained the instructions and everything because I can't find the instruction book. Tried to explain, like he was like, it's just very simple and easy. I tried it, it's not working for me right now. I know some of you will be wondering, how come you can't turn on the washing machine? We just moved into this house. We have actually used it like maybe 4 to 5 times now. Anytime Isaac go to the laundry room, Isaac loves to touch the machine. And suddenly the machine will be working, because anytime you turn it on like that, I have to make sure I turn it off, you know, so the machine shouldn't be working like that. But right now that I really want to use it, it's not working. I think I'm going to see if Isaac is going to help me out. I'm bringing Isaac to the laundry room. Isaac! So Isaac, we have to go to the laundry room now. Okay, let's see if Isaac is going to turn on this machine. Let's see. Let me see if he's going to use his magic. Let's see if he's going to use his magic. Isaac, what do you normally press? Which of the buttons do you normally press? So which one? Isaac, use your magic. Isaac, magic is not working today. Let's see. Isaac has the opportunity right now to play with this thing. Normally, I would let him touch this thing. Right now, mommy, I have to do some washing. Isaac, use your magic. Use your magic, Isaac. Isaac, use your magic. Isaac, sorry, your magic did not work today. We have to go. We have to ring Papa. Yeah, sorry Isaac, it didn't work. I don't know what to press right now. I think I have to ring Papa, or when Papa comes back from work. Don't know, teach mommy again how to do it, yeah? Isaac tried his best to turn on the machine for mommy. You tried your best, Papa. What? Isaac, stop doing that. Jeez. Shaky. Daddy just got back home from work. So Daddy's gonna be helping out. Yeah?
Yeah.
So let's see what Daddy's gonna do. So what are you supposed to press, Daddy? No, you're not supposed to be washing, Isaac. So what did you do?
See this button here?
Yeah.
This is the Isaac button.
Oh, sorry, it was on.
Now, it's working now, right? But when it's working, you press that button so he can't do any damage. Yeah? Isaac, get up. He's gonna wreck you. If you press on.
Stop.
It's not working because the thing's on it. You come here now.
We have this the lock button.
The lock button.
That's the reason why it did not work.
The lock was still on it. Yeah. I would have put the lock on it yesterday.
The machine is now working. Thank you, Daddy, for helping.
Watch yourself, don't.
Isaac is saying thank you too. Isaac said thank you, Daddy. Tom said I was meant to turn off the lock button before I could.
Very important.
Yeah, so I didn't turn it off. That's why Isaac could not use his magic. Yeah, Isaac. Isaac is having cough at the moment.
Why are you coughing, Isaac?
He's having cough at the moment.
No more Isaac magic.
No more magic. That magic was just for that moment. That's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed.